Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hi guys!
Hey.
Okay. Okay. Hi!
Okay.
Calm down, calm down. Hi guys, it's Rachel and Kristen. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is our final episode of Tipsy Tips with Kristen. Cheers!
Cheers.
Now, if you're new to my channel and you don't know what Tipsy Tips with Kristen is, it is a series with my best friend in the world, Kristen, where she demonstrates natural makeup tips on my face while we get a little tipsy just to make it more fun.
And more comfortable.
Yeah. And today, because it is the finale, which is, it's a short series, I'm sorry, but we're running out of ideas, and I am also moving like over 1,000 miles away, so it'd be logistically really difficult to film these. So because it's the finale, we're going to be quick with the makeup tips, and then we're gonna play some games with you guys. Maybe just one game, but we're gonna have fun. So let's just zoom in and get started.
Everything comes naturally. It comes naturally when you're with me. Everything comes naturally. It comes naturally.
Okay.
So
Weird though.
So today Kristen is demonstrating basically the only things we haven't demonstrated, which is natural lips and natural lashes. And I'll just give her the floor. Let her get on with it. In case you're wondering why she's so giggly, we have mixed an interesting cocktail of raspberry emergency plus this Svedka mango pineapple.
We didn't have a chaser.
Yeah, we
so
didn't
Rachel
have...
improvised.
Yeah, I'm real good at that.
It's working. So usually I like to go with a brown mascara, but I ran out of that. Black works just fine. It's just not as natural
Yeah.
to me, I guess. So I don't know.
She prefers a bristly, like natural bristle brush.
Yeah.
There we go. Got
Not the short, stubby one.
Not the plasticky, rubbery ones that I like. She likes the...
I don't know what the
bristly
difference
ones.
is, but I like these ones
Yeah.
a lot. So, I don't know.
Do you want me to look halfway?
Yeah, do that. I mean, I usually do that, but I don't know. Your eyes are a lot bigger than mine.
I do have big eyes.
Mine are pretty squinty. Oh, God. Whoops.
Did you mess up my Memorial Day makeup?
No, but a lot came off.
Let me see. I don't see any.
Really? It's really thick.
Oh, I was looking for it like up here on
like
my
on your
eye.
eyelashes.
Okay.
I don't know what happened, but it got really thick.
I have spare spoolies if you
Okay.
want to comb through.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do that. Because that's one thing I can't stand about.
I don't own a
mascara
lash
sometimes.
comb, but I have spare spoolies.
Well, it's because she gave the lash comb to me.
Yes, I did.
And I love it so much. Because, yeah, it gets rid of all those
Clumps.
Because I don't care who you are. There's
Clumps are
always
not
clumps.
cute.
No, they're not. And I don't know. I don't like it as much on my bottom, so I try to hit those pretty light. But mine are pretty thin.
This is a weird feeling. I see why you always flinch.
Yeah, see, but you're not doing too bad.
This
And
is
you're-
like bald right here. Don't mind that. It's lashes
I
don't
have a
grow
bald
there.
spot too. I'm not gonna lie. I got,
Lashes
like, a
don't
couple.
grow on my outer corner on the bottom.
I have like a one right in the middle of my eyes.
Oh,
Terrible. Yeah, I got a little bit there. And then usually, yeah, I would use that whatever that brush is. What did you call it?
lash comb.
Lash comb. I
Is
use
this
that.
working?
Yeah.
If you have like
Totally.
spare spoolies, that works too. If you don't have a lash
Yeah,
comb.
because those are super thick. All right, I'm gonna
All
try.
right, hold on. I want to show them the difference between your natural application and my no mascara. So this is
Oh yeah, those look good.
natural and no mascara.
Woo.
Okay, let's face you.
Okay.
Halfway.
Yep. try this left-handed.
Lefty's the way to go.
There we go. That's a little easier. Yeah, but lefty, it does not feel right.
She's just like lightly touching my lashes. She's not wiggling in there and getting it really voluminous.
Nope. That's not what I want for everyday natural stuff.
Oh, that looks even more natural than the other side, I feel like.
Every time. The second one's always better.
I'm just gonna comb it out.
Even left-handed.
Yeah, right?
Wow, holy shit. That turned out really good.
Yeah, good job. High five. I think that deserves a shot.
Okay. I poured like a halfie for me already.
Okay.
With my zebra shot.
Well, it's like a double, so you poured like a whole shot.
Yeah.
I made a like lightning and cloud shot glass. We're so cool.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
We think we're cool anyway.
All right.
Yeah, this mango pineapple is actually pretty dang good.
Mm-hmm. Real smooth. But I still need a chaser.
Me too. Oh, me too.
All right, so natural lips.
Okay, literally, all I do is I just use chapstick.
Mm-hmm.
Rachel has really cool
tinted balm
though, so I wanted to use this.
It is the Winky Lux Watermelon Jelly Balm. It smells like watermelon. It's the cutest, smelliest, delicious thing.
So, but Rachel also did give me a pointer because I have really, really dry lips all the time. To use like a lip exfoliator.
Mm-hmm.
And that really does help. It gets rid of all that crusty stuff. And that's it.
Ta-da! Alright, let's get on to the games.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh wait, let me just do a close-up of my lips. Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we are going to play our own version of the game, Never Have I Ever. I have all the cards and the dice, and we're just gonna skip the board, but do the drinking. Whoops! I almost broke my shot glass. Oh. Okay, let's just shuffle these cards around real quick.
Oh gosh.
Oh, shit, there goes a card.
That's okay, we got a bunch.
Okay, so I'll start. I got alcohol, so...
That's the question you're reading?
Yeah, see there's symbols on the card.
Okay.
Never have I ever pissed in my pants from laughing too hard.
That's a lie. I already know.
I have, but have you?
I
have to drink. Do you have to drink?
Gosh. I'm gonna say probably. That's what she said.
Oh my god. I don't know how to swallow.
You know, I probably have, but I cannot remember a specific.
Alright, roll.
Okay.
We got random.
Peace and...
Random.
Oh.
If it's sexual, we'll skip it.
Oh, this one's super easy. Never have I ever forged my parents' signature on a check. And so if we have, we drink.
Yeah, I haven't. I forged my parents' signature, but not on a check.
But not like to get... It wasn't...
She had their permission.
Yeah. I
had my permission when I forged my mom's signature on my sick day notes at school. That's what I did.
Was mad.
My mom told me to. She's like, write your own note. Sign it for me. You can ask her. Ask my mom.
She's very good. She sounds like an adult when she writes.
All right.
What's that
mean? That means I'm skipped. So it's your turn again.
Oh, again? That's not fair. Why do they have that?
You got drugs. Oh, you have to take a drink.
This is...
It's rigged. All right, sex. Let's see if it's an inappropriate question. No, not answering that. That's weird. I mean, I don't even want to bring that question up. Not that I... Yeah. That's just too awkward.
Because it's only us.
Yeah, exactly.
Never mind. They won't get it.
Yeah. Okay. Random. Never have I ever gone to summer school. There's a thing. There's a thing. I have not attended as a student because I was failing or anything, but my mom used to be a summer school teacher and made me volunteer and like supervise younger kids. So does that count?
I feel like
Okay.
that counts.
But I wasn't like in summer school myself.
Just, yeah. You've been there.
Okay.
If it was more specific, then we'd be like, no.
Okay. Your turn. Skip.
I wish that meant you had to take a drink.
All right. Nope.
The sexual ones are bad. Oh, we used. Oh.
Just don't go there, Kristin. Don't go there. Never have I ever gotten stuck in an elevator. I have not.
I have.
Drink?
Oh. Dang it, I should have admitted that.
Your turn.
It was really weird though, like randomly in Mexico, the lights just shut off in the
And
elevator.
if it's inappropriate illegal substances, skip it too.
Oh, never have I ever fantasized about having a threesome. No.
You didn't need to answer that. I told you don't answer the sexual one.
Sorry, no. Just don't drink?
Yeah, don't drink.
Yeah, that's...
Never have I ever gone more than 1 month without changing my sheets. You know, honestly,
Probably.
I probably have because I suffer from depression and lack of taking care of myself.
I'm just lazy.
Alright, your turn.
Yeah, that's boring. Okay.
Drugs.
Oh, never... I still read it. Okay.
If it's bad?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's not bad. Never have I ever locked my keys in the car. Definitely.
Oh,
Lock
for
my keys
sure,
in the car.
for sure. Not in a long time.
We used to have this car that when you turned it on, automatically locked the doors. So we got out and we got locked the hell out.
Never have I ever dropped my cell phone in the toilet. Ha! Kristin has to drink.
It stayed there all night.
All night.
Somebody else found it.
At our own
It
house.
was a clean toilet. I don't think that phone ever came back. I put it in rice.
You
It did
tried, but it didn't survive.
Uh-uh.
Your turn.
R.I.P. Oh, never have I ever thrown up in somebody's car. Pretty sure I haven't. I don't throw up very easily.
I've thrown up outside somebody's car, like
while you're
out
in it?
the window onto the side. Does that count?
No, I think you're good.
Like they had to get a car wash the next day.
Like I've had people throw up on the outside, but that's really hard not to get the outside of the car. Like when you spit out a window, it just sucks it right back in. I think she's good.
Okay. Alright, drinking. Never have I ever turned my underwear inside out and wore it again.
No,
I have not.
See the reason.
I have enough underwear that's not necessary.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever been in a situation where I've needed to do that. Or wanted to.
Yuck.
No, yep, I'm gonna stop there.
Okay, your turn.
Okay. Dang it, I get that a lot.
I roll it. Okay, random. Okay, never have I ever been humped by a dog.
Oh God. It's totally awkward.
Yeah, especially when you're working. Like, I work with dogs, and it's happened. Yeah.
Okay. Take a drink.
You get a roll again. I want you to ask a question.
Alright.
Random.
Never have I ever stuffed my bra or underwear. Okay, that's probably for boys. Yeah, for sure.
When I was in middle
Not
school,
dirty, 30.
I was like training bra, not even an A cup, like training bra size. And in the summer, my friend who lived in town, because I lived in the middle of nowhere out in the country, my friend who lived in town was like, let's put water balloons in our shirts and walk
I think
around.
every kid has done that.
So
for
that's
sure.
what I've done. I walked around with
Balloons?
these huge, like,
just to know what it feels like.
yeah.
You know?
Now I know. Now
She
I know. Your turn.
No, that was me.
Oh, that was you?
Your turn.
I'm drunk. Oh, God. Skip.
Let me see.
We're not using the board.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
skip.
But she's supposed to spin around 5 times.
Never have I ever taken a shower with someone else. You know what? I've been taking bath time with other people since we were like 4 years old. So I'm drinking.
Yep. I guess that means I have to. Ooh. Never have I ever had a zit on my ass. Yeah.
I have nothing
I didn't know that was possible, but
I have nothing left to drink, but totally during puberty it was a thing.
Yeah, I'm almost out too. Jeez.
I'm empty. I think it's time to end
Rachel
the
was
game.
digging though the emergency and the vodka.
It's a good mix.
It's actually
Raspberry
pretty good.
emergency and mango pineapple, like the raspberry and the mango and the pineapple.
It's actually good.
Right, well, that completes this episode of, well, the whole series of
Yeah,
Tipsy
oh
Tips
gosh.
with Kristin. It was really fun doing this with you guys, and
Fun and scary and... But yeah.
we all
those are
learned a
fun.
lot and had a lot of fun.
I hope so.
Especially tonight.
Yeah, learned a lot.
Thank you
This
guys.
is a fun game too. You guys should get it. It's really not that bad.
Thank you guys for supporting us on this journey and this series, and don't forget to check out Kristin on Instagram. She is a
Yay.
professional artist and she's really talented. Move your face. That painting of Apis up there that looks just like my dog, like a real life picture, she painted that. She did that. She's so good. Here, let me like zoom in on that shit. Can you see that? That looks just like my dog.
You've seen him. They've seen him.
Right? Yeah.
He's got to be in 1 or 2 or 5 of these videos at least.
He's all over Instagram.
He's so cute. He's so cute.
Here, there he is. Let me
Where?
grab him. Let me show you. It looks just
Yeah,
like
get
him.
him up here. Oh, did you hear that?
It looks just like him. Look at that. She's so good.
He's so cute.
He's so cute. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. And we will not see you next time. We'll miss you.
Maybe in the future, but
Yeah. Maybe she'll make guest appearances if I ever come visit or she comes
Yeah.
visit. But
yeah.
bye. That's how I'm ending.